All right, the book I'm going to read you guys today is called Caterpillar Dreams. Now, do we know what a caterpillar turns into? I think we're going to find out in this book. Caterpillar Dreams. I know that this is a fiction story because I know that caterpillars don't really have dreams, do they? Also, I know that they don't have smiley faces, so I know it's a fiction story. This is written and illustrated by Clive McFarland. That means he wrote the words and drew the pictures. Henry has a dream. He wants to fly. His whole life he's wanted to see the world outside his garden. Night and day, Henry dreams of going on amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventures. But Henry is just a little caterpillar. You see him? And how is a little caterpillar ever going to see what the world has to offer? Do you know how? His friends don't want Henry to leave the garden. It's not safe, says Snail. It's where your friends are, Worm tells him. Seriously, Henry, an adventure? Sounds exhausting, Slug says with a sigh. Only Toad understands. Here's the thing with dreams, Henry. If you don't chase them, they always get away. What do you think he means by if you don't chase your dreams, they always get away? I think that means that everybody has something that they want to do. Everybody has a dream of something that they want to accomplish or see or do. And if we don't work hard to do that, then they just go away. Henry is determined not to let his dreams get away. Hi, Bird. I want to go on an amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventure. Will you take me? I'm waiting for my eggs to hatch, but I can help you get over the wall, Bird says. Perfect, says Henry. Look, it looks like he's going little by little by little. He's going on his adventure a little bit at a time. But on the other side of the wall is a busy road. Hi, Mole. I'm going on an amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventure. Can you help me? Asks Henry. I can't go on an adventure today. I need to finish my tunnel under the road, Mole mumbles. See how Mole's almost like he's swimming through the dirt. That's okay, I'll help, says Henry. Now the mole is helping him under the road so he doesn't get hit by a car. But on the other side of the road is a big, big lake. Hello, fish. I'm going on an amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventure. Want to come along? Oh, I could never leave my lake, but I'm happy to help you across. Why could a fish never leave his lake? Because fish have to be in water, don't they? Awesome, says Henry. Wow, he's traveling far away from his garden, little by little by little, and all his friends are helping him get there. Henry flew over a wall, buried under a road, and crossed a lake. But still, his adventure had barely even begun. Then far ahead, Henry sees something he's never seen before. A giant balloon. What do you think that is? Have you ever seen a hot air balloon before? It's a balloon that flies up in the air. By heat and gas filling up the balloon, it rises up, up, up. This is where my amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventure will begin. Henry just knows it. If he can get to the top of the balloon, Henry will be able to see the whole wide world. But before Henry reaches the top, something happens to him. A cocoon starts to form around him. He tries to wiggle and squiggle his way free, but he can't move. Look, he's forming a chrysalis. Henry is stuck. His dream is going to get away. He looks so sad. It is dark in his cocoon and warm. Henry can't help but fall asleep. But while he sleeps, something happens that is more amazing than any dream. What is he turning into? Henry wakes and pokes his head out of the cocoon. He is riding the balloon high in the sky. Henry knows he should be scared, but he isn't. Henry has become a butterfly. He has wings, he can fly, he can go anywhere. So where does Henry go? Oh, look, he's going back through over the pond, back over the road, back over the wall. He goes home. The most amazing, incredible, impossibly possible place of all. Never stop chasing your dreams. The end. It takes a lot of people to help you reach your dreams, just like Henry had all of his friends help him reach his dream. But then as he was going along his travel and his adventure, he realized the only place he really wanted to be was back home with his friends and family. I hope you enjoyed that story.